Amy and I have amazing resources that we can tap into. So it really doesn't matter what needs done at the house. We have someone that we can help arrange do it. I've done several transactions where my client needs some new paint and some new carpet, just that facelift. They need to move out, so I can bring in some fabulous staging furniture. They maybe need some new light fixtures just to get that pop in there. I've had several clients use our concierge program for that, where they're able to access $25,000 with very little trouble. It's such a simple process. It always even amazes me. And then they can use that money to do that fix up, and then that's just paid back at closing. I would have to say, in most cases, the return for that $25,000 has been in the neighborhood of $100,000 and what I thought the price would be. It's dramatic.